Salabano fona ogene yoba yuji neliwe oh salabano fona kondasi ogene yoba Yes, oh, my people, my friends, my family, my fans, my followers. I greet everybody now. Good morning. Today I come and contact everybody, the whole world. I thank everybody in this world. People that sympathize with me, I thank everybody. All associations that sympathize with me, I thank you all. Everybody, all presenters, I thank everybody. I pray, oh God.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Mama OKH. Mama OKH don't come out, contact everybody wey console am and make una not make trouble again. It's a trouble not good because we don't know day we go break tomorrow. So I just dey happy say she dey strong now. She's okay. She can talk now. Because no matter the cry, where you go cry, the pikin no go come back again. Oh, go. So I am so happy. Say I see her just now. Say she dey strong. She fit still talk. I was so happy. Because it's not easy for somebody to lose pikin. Come on, sick where pikin go dey sick like this. Your mind no go reach ground. Come on, if kata dey worry my pikin no fit breathe well. I go dey think am to my own self, say, oh God, why you not just give me this kata, make this pikin dey okay? You understand? So it's not easy, my people. So I am so happy, say I see her, say she dey okay now. She's okay and she dey strong. So Mama OKH, we love you. Everybody, we love you. We love you. If there is any way where we go visit help, may you not see, may you see tell us. You understand? So my people, ma put the video where she take talk, make una see am. Thank you. Bye.
Salabano fona kondasi ogene yoba yuji neliwe abana mwaeme iruji neliwe. Oh, salabano fona abano leti ogene yoba iruji neliwe ko iruji neliwe o ọba Yes, so my people, my friends, my family, my fans, my followers. I greet everybody now. Good morning. Today I come and contact everybody, the whole world. I thank everybody in this world. People that sympathize with me, I thank everybody. All associations that sympathize with me, I thank you all. Everybody, all presenters, I thank everybody. I pray, oh God, who not fit kill una, may not kill una children. Una not go die. Una children not go die. Let me just go to my darlings. My last soul go with me, my only son, my first son, my mirror, with my body my everything. And they cry say die. If you say now let me pay, I can't say people will cry past me can't they. People can't they cry anyhow. Ah God. Market no hold. Some meeting no hold. People when me no know, meeting when me never know. They no hold. See people, see my house. See everywhere. Come be like saying a carnival. Ah, cause say so it be. Ah, and no turn na etu wow. Eromo no turn na etu wa. Eromo pe etu wa. Eromo ko etu wa. Wa mi o ba lo gbo mo. Wa mi e gbodo. Wa mi e gbo egbiye. Wa mi e gbe koma be ni Jesu. O pe o ko ma se ti gbo wa mo. Wa si omo mi kan. Why me obalo aki bada gani wa lori agboso enoko ni wa be ni Jesu. You know we just surprise. The person now we do call where ya ni go ya ya mo imeke Italy ati o. Ah. You know we e wa we say ama bi atiti me ama bi ebo yi me. No need. Bagere lodo akia. Ipon wa ya fefefe. Edo Artists Association ipon wa. Bima Ikmomuwa. Edo Yeme Organization Worldwide Ikmomuwa. Social media presenters Ikmomuwa. Waya fefe everybody. Keni o encouragement in wariye me. Eya living now. Which in matter ya set survive. But due to your encouragement, due to your advice ya no wa vio me afefefe eya seti said the na. I believe where he said the na no salobo no gba nko beti. O salobo no rizi egbe me. Oba no meton. Alaho wa ye leru me no saba rizi egbe me. Obi many uwa gold OKH more London. Ah, why ya fefe why ya go when why ya call when why ya say why ya ni boy you have God mother we ni boy ye ba have friends of have fans of there ah o saluba no la o baba oba no metun ero metun wa ero do etu wa kemi no riju wa mo gogo e wa ye baba no la o men wa ya wujobo mena iyobo no ma o solo bo awunu wa o emi na gogo yi aga go wa wo o pe abu wa we na gogo yi o pe bu wa we na gogo yi isemi ya no salobo everything ya fe ise ya no salobo emi me da na ka egbezi ami emi egbezi salobo no la no gba nko beti no yeti me no di se egbe me ni ya zien mi o be da gen seti o iseti egbe na ime awon paro no gbe na le gbe so o saloba no la no gi maro pa mi ezo wa ya fefe ke ma ni expect o ke ni ma expect o if you say me na do imagine but ni o pa no ri da me gbe di ye mo wa wu ni a o utemi ni bi edo a wo me utemi ni ayobo wo ama where I know tata Nobody can question God. So waya we say o waya we say o ope anobu won joko